I'm going to show you how I pack my husband's 12-hour shift lunch. Now, this is his snack tray. In the snack tray, I have grapes, black grapes, and green grapes. It's basically what he likes, not necessarily what I like. So, no judgment here, okay? So, he likes black grapes, and I put that. I put some strawberries, and I have blackberries right there. And then I also have cherry tomatoes. He likes cherry tomatoes, and he also likes goat cheese. Believe it or not, I'm from Africa, but I tasted goat cheese for the first time here in America, and I started tasting it when I was making his stuff. And he likes goat cheese, cherry tomatoes, and also blackberries because they're sour. He likes them with his goat cheese. So he told me that this is what he eats first. Start snacking or during the day. Then I have a vegetable tray. In his vegetable tray, I have beets. He liked pickled beets. Now, pickled beets, first time I ate beets is also when I was making a snack. He also liked hummus. The first time I ate hummus was about, I think last year when we started going to a Mediterranean restaurant. I didn't know what this is, but I started getting good ones from H-E-B. That's the one he likes from H-E-B. Then there's broccoli, and then there's also cucumber. And then he uses the carrots to eat, the hummus to eat his carrots. I don't know if he uses it for his cucumber, no, for his hummus, I don't know. But now, he likes avocado. I don't like avocado. My mom grows in Africa, grows avocado, but I don't. I don't know how to peel avocado. I should have watched a video on how to peel it and how to cut it. I just cut it kijebres. That means in Africa, in Luo, means just like that. I just chopped it. And this avocado was so big. There were some pieces left, but I ain't eating that. I'm going to give it to him. I packed this at night, by the way. So this is his vegetable tray. Then dressing for his sandwich. He likes mustard. So I found this dressing at H-E-B. Even me who doesn't like mustard, I like this dressing. Look at it if you like it. And then I found this nice thing for putting dressing for his sandwich at H-E-B. I don't know how you call it. And I just found it, and I bought like 4 or 5 of them. And today I was struggling with putting the thing in there, so excuse the mess. But for some reason, it's not so hard, because you can pull all those things out. I didn't want to pull it out, but anyway, it works. So I put all the dressing in there and close it up. Now I'm making the sandwich now. I put 3 types of meat. This is salami. He likes Genoa salami. I put 4 slices, which is a lot much, but I assume he likes tasting his meat when he's making his sandwich like I do. I do eat during this time that I'm making his lunch. So here I am I put turkey. I used to do beef, but beef was very salty. So we stopped doing that. So that's sodium-free, what do you call it, ham. And then I also put some kind of chicken or turkey. So today I have turkey. I put 3 slices. Like I said, he can use 2 for making sandwich and 1 to taste while making a sandwich. Whatever he does with it, he will eat it anyways. Because me, whenever I'm eating, man, I taste at least 1 slice of the meats that I like when I'm making these sandwiches. So I buy enough. Some women taste all the food that they cook. They taste half of the food before they put it on the table. Anyways, let's go back. I normally put, after the meats, I normally put onions and tomatoes. But today I forgot the onions, which I ended up packing separately. But the tomatoes, I stopped putting tomatoes with this batch because it was wet. And then I put the cheese, and then I put the lettuce. Now, he likes the hard lettuce, so, of course, there is his taste. I like the little leafy lettuce. That's what he likes. Now, we are done with the sandwich. Let me tell you, if I don't put the the parchment paper on his sandwich, he will text me and say, "Did you forget to put it on parchment paper?" Well, I think it keeps it. I don't know whether it keeps it cold, but or it reminds him of a real sandwich from the store. But I pack that's his sandwich completely done. It's going to go in his bag. You see, there's the thing. Everything is packed and get. Now, I also put. This is some thin crackers. The reason this he uses. You remember the hammers? This is if he decides to eat it. I put like 2, 3, 4, 5. These are very thin crackers that I put for him to snack on. And remember, this is a 12-hour shift, so we want to do healthy. I know this is not healthy, but this is close enough. We're not going healthy here. We're just packing lunch. Instead of eating McDonald's, we just eating this. Now the bread I use is this bread, 21 whole grain bread. So I do use this. This is what I use. He will use the sandwich meat for. He will put that dressing that I put on there. Okay. So I wrap the bread separately so that it don't get soggy. But this is not a lot of work. This takes me like 30 minutes to do. So I pack this every day. My husband likes things the same way. I like switching. He don't like to switch. The only thing I switch sometimes is the meats or sometimes the vegetables. Remember I told you the tomatoes go separate? Now this is tomatoes. The onions I didn't show you, but I did put onions too. Now I always put an extra fruit, either an apple or a pear, because 12-hour shift is long. I put some water and I put some cutlery. You see, that is the bag. I bought that from Ross and it's packed. See, I put it, and I have to put it a certain way. You see, I put the vegetable first, because he eats that last. Okay? It's got all the vegetables and then the fruits. Okay? There he goes. And then the water, I put 2 waters, and then I put the sandwich, and then I put the bread, the crackers, the dressing, the tomatoes. By the way, this is washed. I just forgot to remove the sticker, and I always forget. So I put it on there, and we are done, closed up, ready to go to work. Now, you can switch this the way you want to. That's the bag I use. He can put his wallet, he can put his phone, he can put everything. So thank you for watching.